What makes a world-class university incubator? Is it the collaborative spaces?
I call this my second home.
Or the fact that it's located right in the heart of Singapore? Is it the community that it creates? Or the many world-class mentors that it is connected with?
I always tell them it is not about building that link or making that connection. It is about building relationships.
Is it the competitions that it organizes that bring people closer to their dreams?
Today we are the top 5 teams, finally. And then hoping to gunning for the winning spot. It's been 3 years, a very long period of time.
Way too long. And for the grand prize, let's give it to Ugly Good.
Is it the way it trains and builds character?
I swear one day I'm going to start a bebop movement.
Or is it the commitment to help students experience the world and to broaden their horizons? Is it the funding that it helps startups raise so that the first steps get a little easier? Perhaps it's all of these and a little more, because a truly world-class university incubator can empower founders to achieve the seemingly impossible.
Our mentor connected us to high-level CXO, which would otherwise be hard for us to reach, and we are thankful for that.
It can even make the Davids of the world take on the Goliaths.
If someone had told me when we first started Ribbons that we would have our own building, I would have said, no way, you're crazy. But well, here we are.
Best of all, it produces world-class talent that puts our little red dot on the map. Oh, and most importantly, we make the impossible possible.